Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life forever.
Morning team, Ismash, everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog, and damn it, I'm on my way to work, and you guys wanted to forget a vlog Saturday we're gone, because every week I do this thing. And if you get a vlog Saturday we're gone, but John will start. It has been a sad week. It has been a sad week. You know, mourning the loss of my auntie, my cousin's mother. It's deep, you get me? It's deep. So I've been in and out of St. Catherine. That basically, let me shut it past a light there. Oh crap, I thought that come down for me, man. But I've been in and out of St. Catherine, and I don't know, it has been a sad week, as I must say. So you guys have to just stay with me for that week here. But as I say, every week when I get a vlog, so probably next week or something I'm gonna like double up. I'm gonna like 2 vlogs in a week and things like that. But for now, we're just you know, I try to make it through the week with just a smile on my face. We're not happy, just a smile on my face. Well, we work for the 9 morning here. That's a pit. So this whole entire area right here, so where the leg of the human excrement goes straight down into the pit. Now these clown youths seal off the top, whole completely. See the concrete there open, seal off the top and fill the pit. So at any given moment this might break away. This will break away over time. So now Pinedo and I, along with Stuart, have to fill it about 8 feet deep, right in, brother? 8 feet deep. We're gonna fill it with these stones one by one. I tell you someone, I said, this is so close to impossible, especially with a fair man like me. This is impossible. That alone, Pinedo, about 3 days work continuously. Can't manage that. But anyways, I'm gonna help him. Try to see what can go on. We know we're gonna accomplish nothing today by trying to fill that hole, but they want to try, so we're gonna try. No. Progress. Day 2. Yeah, what do you guys think about this view? Just imagine your house on this land and you having that view. Super scenic, don't? Yeah, you guys, this is my mom's friend land. I don't know how much square feet to get super technical, we don't know. This is, but this what we are standing up on right now in cash is over $16 million worth of land. This $16 million worth of land, forget that view.
That's great.
I go kind of be the person who come peep on the side here 1 and 2 times just to see what go on, because you don't know in a construction, learning never stop. Learning never stop in a construction. So it's a new contemporary design, so we're kind of, you know, I learned 1 and 2 stuff about the 2019 construction bill So 1 or 2 times I come down here, so I gotta stop by and look what I go on, and you know, just give an extra 2 cents in a project. But for the most part, this is lovely. This land space is big. I already see the drawing, the design, everything on this project. It is going to be great. When the project is in progress, we're going to come look on it after the project. We're going to look on it and just go, guys, you know, who plan on moving back to Jamaica or moving to Jamaica to get an idea, some ideas of how and how them can build them house and whatnot. But this is my mother's friend's project. I'm not the contractor, but this project, you know, you guys would be elated if you guys heard that Ismash got them, you know, big project here. Cause overall, I estimate this project probably around $30 million project or something like that for Billy House or whatever. But yeah, this is my mom's friend's thing, and the main reason why I'm showing is because me I go stop by from time to time, and I don't want to be oblivious to what take place. Like, why may I go this? Why may I go this? I don't want to believe it's my project either. Cause money not run like that. That's why I'm encouraging you to watch a YouTube video. I don't know. Yeah. Update on the pit. The pit is finished. We finish compact the pit. So now you can drive a big truck on it, whoever own a yard, you can drive a big truck on it, you can do whatever you want. The main reason why you have to compact it is because support the concrete on top. Because concrete by itself is, in terms of compressive strength and tensile strength, the tensile strength is like 1/10 of the compressive strength itself. And the way if something drive over it, you don't know it'll be easier for you bend. It not go like a compact, but it'll kind of bend, so it have more tension within the concrete mixture itself. So we have to compact it and support it from underneath. So whenever something drive upon it, it's like the ground itself, the foundation can help it. If it wasn't filled and something drive over it, it just would have break. It would break down, which it would then call it again a positive moments going down. It will break down, so we need something to support it up. So we just fill it, so in a break down, blah blah blah. I don't know if I explain it 100% correctly, but I try my best. Who understand, who don't understand. But anyways, the rest of the day, as I said, I did one guy gym. I don't know if I'm telling that part. I did one guy gym, but can't find my gloves. I don't know who steal my gloves. Either somebody steal my gloves from out of the car, or somebody steal my gloves at the gym. I don't know. I haven't been to the gym in like days, you know. So I can't find my gloves. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. So I don't know if I just done up that vlog, but I don't know if there's a climax in the vlog. More sound than I like when I just sit down and talk. More sound I don't like when I just sit down and talk. So what am I going to do instead? Shit.
$600 is
there has been a decrease in the uptake of vaccines for measles. In order to stop the disease from spreading, 95% of children need to be fully vaccinated with 2 doses, the MMR1 and MMR2. However, he said in 2018, Jamaica had 89% coverage of MMR1 and 22%.
Luxury tax.
Maybe tax. Yo, all along, nobody does anything for this.
Alright, so how much properties you have now? Let me see your titles.
What do you mean by tax? You're supposed to land burning something to worry about them, and we never know.
I first land pandering the youth. Alright, so now we know what I mean. So what's the tax on this? I'll pause there, 2 for repairs, $50.
You, the bank don't tax a doctor fee me pay, I mean I got a doctor alone.
What is it, 10% of everything?
I don't know. What is it?
$20.
How to pay Monopoly?
Look for ways to find some money.
I don't know. Yeah, just continue with the game, man. Stop. So 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, pay rent, you know.
Jeez,
Pay
obviously.
rent, you know.
Hold on.
How
6
much?
and 4, I forget my 2 bills trying to bring. To get 2 bills. How much rent? Ain't nothing.
Look on my
Ain't nothing when a nigga have money.
Alright, so
Anybody know if you play Monopoly? Well, honestly, don't know what we are doing, but we are trying a little thing. we try make money off a game by paying rent. Buying properties and collecting rent. We don't know if we do nothing else.
yeah, if you tell the honest truth to the people, I don't know one shit to know. A $30 rent? Yeah, I got $30
$30 rent. It ain't nothing, boy.
One casa. So that's one house. So I have one house there. So
One house out there.
$30.
$30.
So that's the rent that I need.
Buy yourself
So the rent looks so
a
sharp.
shower. I can pay my rent on time and in full. Don't play. You ever try something in your life and it don't work out? It's like that Monopoly game there. So resort to this now. What is called snake on the ladder?
So ladders.
It's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How much more before us? So, yo, look how much snake there is.
Yo, look at. If you throw one, you know, you're dead, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. You?
Go on, here too.
That's all. 3.
Oh, yeah. There. You don't know safe zone. Safe zone there. 4. 1, 2, 3. Yo. Disappear now. Where is that? Dog then good. Dog then. So yeah guys, I'm finally home. I'm signing out this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And guys, I don't know, it's probably a YouTuber thing when I promise consistency and you fall off. Like a lot of times I promise yo, every day, every week, every this, every that I'm gonna fall through, but it's not a case of I don't want to fall through with my declaration or my promises. Like, but I don't know. Things always pop up. I don't know. It's not a case of me do the YouTube thing full time, so I can't fully focus. But I focus on other things, and by the time you take your mind off of YouTube for a split seconds, a week or 2 run off, and you'll be like, shh. All I have to do right now is just try my best for, you know, limit the amount of times that happen. But I can't tell them to say, yo, wait. Probably next time when you see me, I have hero and that's what to do too long. I'm gonna take for come back or something like that. But I'm trying my hardest not to make that be the case, you know? I'm trying my hardest not to make that be the case. I'm there consistently, but I don't know, life will take a toll upon me. I sort out things, me young, me not born with this silver or gold spoon, none of them. So for myself, I feel I try to do other little things I try, you know, make ends meet at the end of the day. But for now, I appreciate you guys if you guys made it to the end of this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, and of course if you're not subscribers yet, hit the subscription button down below, hit the notification bell. Team Ismash, I'm coming with a bang. I'm coming with a bang. I figure say you guys like the vlogs, you guys like my vibes or whatever vibes me give off, you guys kind of dig with it. That's why you guys still here. I'm gonna continue giving you guys the true Ismash. I'm going to continue show you guys, you know, the world of Ismash, how I do things. Probably some of you guys out there want the construction, you know, in the future, you guys doing construction right now. I can actually show you what going on in the rest of the world beyond your guys' horizon, you know what I mean? So, again, Team Ismash, thanks for watching this video. I'm out.